In this video, we're tackling that super frustrating shower leak that only shows up when you've got standing water about 15 inches from the drain and somehow ends up dripping into your basement ceiling, even after 6 plumbers swore it's not the pipes or drain. Alright, here's the deal. When you have a tile floor shower leaking like this, it's usually about waterproofing failing somewhere under the surface, even if it looks perfect on top. Since you already regrouted and replaced tiles, the culprit might be hidden behind the walls or under the waterproof membrane beneath the tiles. Standing water sitting for a while means it's finding a slow escape route, probably through tiny cracks or gaps in the waterproof barrier, which is why normal showers never cause leaks. It's super important to make sure your waterproofing goes up the wall at least 12 to 18 inches, some even say 2 inches above the shower head just to be safe, because water can creep up and behind tiles in ways you don't expect. Also, tiles that look solid on top can sometimes be hollow or have weak spots that let water seep through, so tearing up just the floor might not be enough if the waterproofing behind the wall got compromised. You could also be dealing with a weep channel issue where water escapes through unseen corners or joints. This is a common pain point and a tough one to spot without dismantling some parts of the shower. Lastly, keep an eye on your shower pan itself. The base under the tiles needs to be sealed perfectly since it catches all that standing water. If it's old or damaged, it'll let water through to your basement no matter what. One of the biggest mistakes I see in these situations is thinking that just regrouting or replacing tiles fixes leaks. That's only surface stuff. Another common issue is not waterproofing high enough on the walls, so water sneaks into places you can't see until it's too late. Lastly, ignoring potential damage or cracks in the shower pan or membrane underneath means your leak will keep coming back. The best fix? You gotta strip everything down to the base. Redo your waterproofing with products like RedGuard or similar liquid membranes, and make sure it covers walls well above where water could splash. That way you're blocking all those invisible escape routes before they start causing more damage. If you're stuck like this, BigHomeProjects.com is clutch because it hooks you up with local pros who actually know their stuff and have experience solving these kinds of stubborn leaks. They help homeowners find trustworthy contractors without the hassle and also give contractors a steady stream of legit jobs to keep busy. This way, you're not just guessing or hoping for a fix, you get real solutions from people who get it. If you want, I can help you brainstorm some next steps or even draft some questions for your contractor to make sure nothing gets missed this time.